Hey guys, so back with another video. This is my Galaxy Note 3 on Rogers. It's rooted, and now I'm running a custom ROM. It's the Jedi Elite ROM. Also has a custom kernel, the Saber kernel. I've updated the kernel that to a newer one. It came with the kernel, but there's an update and it has overclocking with it. So runs really nice, really smooth. It's detoxed. There's tons of features with this. Just one second. I'm just gonna power this down real quick and show you how it boots up. Okay, so we're just gonna fire it up. Now this is a T-Mobile ROM, and it seems to be that they're the exact identical model to the Rogers, or the all Canadian, I guess. All Canadian, from my understanding, what I'm pretty sure I read is that all the Canadian models of this can run the T-Mobile. So there you go, T-Mobile 4G LTE, running pretty smooth. So let me show you the ROM that I'm running. Oops. Now every time I reboot, the clock rates go back to stock. So I have to, if I want to overclock, I have to do that again. So go here, boot device. So there you can see 4.3 Android it's running, and kernel is Saber N3K. Sorry, that one, there it is. Android. And there's the ROM that I'm running, Jedi Elite. Now stock, there's a lot of features this thing has, but stock, even just the sounds, check this out. When you pull, because it's Jedi, obviously a theme from Star Wars, you pull this out, the pen, how cool is that? So, and then when you put the pen back, so it's pretty slick. Okay, so like I said, this phone, this ROM is very customizable. I'm just going to take the pen out again. It's easier for me to point out things out. So as you can see, the clock, it's a different color. It's not white, it's green. It has October 30th on it. It's in the middle instead of to the right. It's green. It's got the AM PM on it, on the actual clock portion of it. I haven't changed this, but I did change the, what do you call it, the battery right here, 48%. So I've changed that out to different color, different battery icon. This you can change to the numbers, or the how many slots there are. Running a live wallpaper, right? Runs very smooth. The UI that I'm running on this, the launcher, Go Launcher EX, obviously. That's, if you watch any of my videos, you know that's what I like. This is the Droid live wallpaper. This is the clock that I usually like to run, is the HTC Sense dark clock analog, and I like this because it has hot zones. If I click that, it goes to my alarms. If I click here on the number part, it goes right to the camera. Okay, weather is right there, it goes to the weather, and it also gives you information right here, which I like. How much RAM you have, how much storage you have, temperature, chip temperature, your SD, your internal RAM, and your battery. Sorry. That's it, I think. So I'm running the same what do you call it, the same widgets as I am on my last video. Now you can also do this. When you pull that down, you can set a picture on the back. So like that. Just let me clear that out. So I've also changed this to change that so that's red, the clear button. What else have I done? You can change this. There's, what do you call it, for here, there's for your multi-screen. You can also edit this so you can put whatever you want, like BBM. Edit so that you can add whatever apps you want so that you can put them in here. That's a great mod. Okay, so when you're shooting, not shooting, well, after you flash the ROM, I let it set for about 10 minutes to get itself situated. And then you can start going through the settings. It comes with this pre-installed Jedi ROM tricks. Keyboard switcher, never really did anything with that. You can change a bunch of stuff on the keyboard. It also has Pi Launcher by default. So I'm just going to get out of there because I haven't enabled it. I don't know if I will. So let me go back there. So that's the Pi Launcher controls. That's when you swipe out to the side and the Pi comes out, 2 different levels. And wherever you let go on the Pi, it enables the app that you designated to be there. Floating notifications, that's also, I believe up here it pops up for any email, text messaging. It just pops up. It doesn't matter what screen you're at, that pops up. There's also, it also has custom framework installed, so that's the exposed installer. Modules that I've installed, actually it's just this WinM exposed. I haven't gone through, I haven't installed anything. On my last video, I did have a bunch of exposed, actually I think it was 2 or 3 exposed modules on there, but with this, so far I haven't had the need to, because it has, let me go back, because it has a WinM exposed module. And here is where I've done a lot of my customization. Notifications panel, typeface family, typeface style, I'm not quite sure what all that stuff is. Clock size, clock position, AM, PM style, hide the battery icon, enable circle battery. So this is the stuff. Battery text size, it's crazy how you can customize it exactly what you how you want it. Quick setting for tiles, hiding Wi-Fi notifications, disable Bluetooth toggle pop-up, carrier label, you could change that. I tried it, didn't work, so I don't know what's up with that. So then you can go to your sound systems, disable loud volume warning. I'm going to flash the module too to boost the speaker, because that's the only thing that's lacking that I think on this phone. This is cool too because it comes stock. Disable camera shutter sound, so even if your volume is way up, when you fire a shot, it doesn't sound the shutter. You don't get the shutter sound. Disable boot sound. To me that's annoying, so I turned that off. So if you go to system, disable scrolling cache. They say it runs smoother, so I did that. The 4-way boot, I like that. Reboot. You hold that, and then when you click the reboot, you can go hot boot, download mode, or recovery. So that's what that is. Anything that you enable in this, you have to do a reboot for it to. I just do a hot reboot or hot boot instead of a full reboot to enable what you just changed within this module here. NFC behavior. So there's just tons of stuff. Wallpaper scrolling. Launcher infinite scrolling. I'm assuming that's with TouchWiz. I don't use TouchWiz, don't like it, so it's enabled. I don't know if I'm gonna uninstall it. I guess I'll just leave it. So phone stuff. Haven't done anything here. I know with the phone, there is a record button, so you can record your conversations. Messaging. Nothing here. Enable automatic input mode. Haven't done anything here at all. Just pause the video when I get to a screen so you can read it for yourself. I'm assuming it's in focus. I'm hoping at least it is. So the theme here, I changed, you know, the battery icon. So I've changed the text. You can change that, the background color, clock color. So I changed it to the green. Signals color, I haven't done anything there. Clock and date color, header button color, animation brightness. Yeah, so okay, so what else did I change here? Notification background color. I think it's the right here, panel background. So here I clicked image and picked the the picture that I shot. Actually, I shot that last night, so that's pretty cool. And then there's the title bar. You can change all this stuff. I changed the bar color. Mine was so you can change the color for the text on the carrier label. Icon color. Enable white email background. So let's go back there. That's for the theme. Security hacks, I haven't done anything there. Advanced, nothing. So there's tons and tons of stuff just in that one module alone, the WANAM exposed. You can also, per app, you can change the DPI settings. It'll take you know, you can go through whatever and change that. I don't mess with that stuff. Custom framework install. Once you go here, you go to framework, and then you install the updates, and then you can go to modules. Actually, you go to download, and then here you can check, you know, all these different apps here. Advanced power menu here, but see, so a lot of the stuff is in that WANAM module. So I guess it's best to go through that first, and if you don't find anything there, you can stick it. You can go and look at these modules, like see, allow full screen YouTube with HDMI, Android tuner free, auto VPN. That's in this one too. Okay, so I also wanted to show how the Saber kernel is overclockable. It comes with this Trickster mod app. So here, read ahead buffer size. Usually, see, because I rebooted, everything goes back to stock. So that's the stock value. I'll kick it up to 768. The scheduler, I'll stick to deadline. The max CPU, I'll switch to 2.6 gigahertz. All right, and the governor is on demand. A lot of times I'll use interactive or performance. Performance, obviously, you know, it's going to drain the battery a lot. Interactive, I think it ramps up faster than it does when it's on demand, compared to on demand. So I'll click it there, and basically you just click the check mark up top, apply successfully. So now we're running at 2.6 gigahertz. Yeah, this thing is blazing fast. So Go Launcher EX is what I'm running here. I don't know if I have anything else to show you. Well, so far that's it. It's so to me, it runs smooth. This is my daily driver. It's the Jedi Elite ROM. Awesome, awesome. So nice and smooth, nice and fast. Even without overclocking, it's fast. That's it. I also just got got some batteries for as spare batteries. They're 3,500 milliamps. I'm just running some testing on them now, doing full cycles. Just to see how they go, especially when it's overclocked, because now that I have a bunch of batteries, I'll just run it overclocked all the time just because you can, I guess. So let's put this back in. Hope you liked the video, and I'm gonna keep looking around to see if there's any other ROMs. But this, honestly, I can't complain about anything about this ROM. It runs smooth. All right, see you guys later.